Hello everybody. We thank you so much for following us on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the API level that you need to fix by August 31st, 2024. I think if you are a developer, you have received this message from Google and requesting you to update. Otherwise, you won't be able to do other updates. So this is the message. This one comes into my also my Gmail account, but also comes here in this Google Play console, and my applications. They're asking me to update. So how can you do it? So first of all, let us read what they're saying here. They say, okay, you have submitted an update to application will update. So this is not the issue, but the summary is this one. You won't be able to release update 52 days away. So data sent is date sent was July 4th. Deadline is August 30. And the violation apps must target Android 14 or API level 34 or higher. So the details to provide users with a safe and a secure experience. Google Play requires all apps to meet target API level requirements. So how you can fix it, guys? So the first thing is they are saying here how to fix it to ensure that you can continue to make update to your apps. You must update your app to target Android 14 and they publish a new version of your application to production. Before you do this, you can test your apps using internal closed open testing. Actually, they are not really giving us more details on how to do it. So I want to show you how you can go and update your application target Android 14. So I'm going to open up my Android Studio. So I don't know if you are using Android Studio, but I using Android Studio under the folder called, if you browse into your folders, uh, you gonna go to grade scripts and you folder called build Gradle, and in this build Gradle, the module apps contains where you have to change the version. So the minimum here version here is saying 14, but here the target version is 33. So the aim is to put this version, the target version here, on the level that they are asking, which is 34. So if I put to 34, you're going to see that I need to sync my project. So I'm going to check this one and just make sure that I use this one. But as you can see here, I have to sync again in my project. But before I do it, I do syncing. What I'm going to do, very important, is to go into your SDK manager. So in Android Studio, you go into Tools, and then you go to SDK manager. And under this SDK manager, you're going to see under section language and frameworks. And then you can see that, oh, I have to install the Android API 34. So you need to click on Android API 34 and then say, okay. So this one I did it first, so I did it already. But before I got this message, actually, my Android API was only on API under 34. So very important to install this one, the Android API 34. Once you click OK, it's going to install it. And once it is installed, you're going to see that it is installing. After you install, then you need to resync to change the your version here, target SDK version to 34. And if you have this one, this is obsolete actually functionality. If you still have it, then you need to change to 34. So since I may change my version code. This is not really required, but I'm going to change to 19 and then 19.1 just in case I do an update. So and I'm going to sync my project. So if I sync my project, then I should be able to resolve the issue of targeting version. And once you do it, then you need to come to your application, to the this one, and then to update, you update a new to a new version. You go into production, and then you go to the new release, and then you update your you create a new release here, and then you use your new file, new APK file or ABB file. I think things should be fixed. I hope this one you learn how to do it. If you still have a question, please post them on my channel. I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you.